In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an account inside of Atlas Funded. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to atlasfunded.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this, where you can see you can make money trading our capital. From here, you'll need to go down to the Get Funded page down here, click on it, and then from here, you can choose your trading account. Now, as you can see, you have 5 different options. You'll have instant, 1-step, 2-step, 3-step, or an Axis account. You can choose between all of this however you seem fit. And once you have chosen, you'll need to choose a platform where you can either choose Trade Locker, MetaTrader 5, or Match Trader. You'll also be able to choose an account size, either 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K, or 300K. This will be different with each of these plans up here. From here, you'll be able to see the rules, the trading period, and all of the necessary things to get this traded account or funded account. From here, you'll simply need to click Get Funded, and then from here, you'll get out to the checkout page where you can edit the products if you want to do that. You can see the receipts, and down here you can see how much money you will be spending. From here, you'll be able to add in add-ons, and down here you'll need to enter your customer information like your email address, your billing names, billing details. Then from here, you'll also be able to place an order or enter a coupon code where you can use this code right here to get a little % off. And here you'll be able to select if you want to pay with credit card or crypto. Down here you'll also need to click I agree to the privacy policy and return policy, and then click place order. From here you'll be able to go in and add in your payment details and then place order. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!